Only in New York will you see a man standing on something, balancing himself, with blades in his hand. The crowd is under him, and it's crazy. Welcome to the Bliss Bar. Make sure you subscribe. Tell a friend, man. This is serious. Dalmatians are outside. This is New York City at its height, at its greatest. It's the place where you could be whoever you want to be when you want to be him. And if you got some talent, we'll take time to stop and watch. We sure will. So come on down to Union Square. Oh wow, we're outside.